one evening, and we saw a wedding on the beach.
Oh.
It was really kind of fascinating to watch it. They had these huge kites up in the air marking where the spot was, where the wedding was being held.
Are you dancing? Do you like this music, James? Yeah? What kind of music do you call this?
It's weather music.
I love that he stops every time.
Would you like some more, Papa?
This is really weird.
You're doing great, man. You keep it up. You follow your heart.
Well, I don't think he got that from his daddy. Although I think he got his love of music from both of you guys, but
Would you like something to drink?
I don't think Daddy likes to dance too
Get a
much.
glass of water or
Where?
some water.
Are you done, Chris? You want some more?
I'm all good. Thank you. I'm all done. Thank you.
I'll grab this.
Oh, thank you. Sorry. I'm just going to keep doing this video.
He really likes the Doppler radar. Hey, you know it's going to be time to turn this off in a minute because you're going to have to go to night now.
Oh.
Why don't you just turn it off?
The sounds become foreign sounds, and in order to survive